Wowza, wowza, look at that. I'll cover myself in it. Hello to you and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sian and my channel is Sianizer, and in today's video I am going to be testing out the Stacey Marie Love Tahiti palette. Today's video is also in collaboration with one of my YouTube friends, Claire. We have both bought this Carnival III Stacey Marie collection, and we're both doing a look for you. So you can obviously see my look that I'm doing for you today, and then you can go and check out Claire's look that she has also done with this collection. So I got this box in the sale. I think it's discounted anyway as a set. I think it's 115 normally, but I got this for 70 I think in the sale, which is pretty damn good. So let's open her up and have a look at what we get inside. So you open up the box at the top just here, and it comes with a handheld mirror, which is amazing because I've always wanted one of these to hold when I do my makeup for videos, so this is exciting that I've got one of these. And then we get the Carnival III Love Tahiti palette, so I'll open her up and let you have a look at what's inside that in just a moment. And then we also have a drawer in this box. It's quite stiff. But included in this set are 2 of the Get Wet highlighters and 2 of the double glazed lip glosses. So let's start first by looking at the highlighters and glosses. So they come with the shades at the top just here. So we get Starkers, which is a nice nude shade. And then we get Sweet Spot. And then for highlighters, you get Hologlaze, which is like a pinky holographic shade. And then you get Soft Silk. When you buy them, they also come with the a little protector over the dome of the highlighter as well. Okay, now for the palette, it does come wrapped in bubble wrap, which is great. It means that it's nice and protected, so hopefully we're not going to have any breakages. So here are the colours in the Love Tahiti palette. So you get 31 vibrant matte shades, 4 duo shift pressed pigments, 3 metallics and 2 high pigment shimmers. So let's swatch a few of these ones. So I am instantly drawn to Starlight. Oh my god, that is beautiful. And then we've got Blue Moon. Deep looks gorgeous, that blue there, and this forest green. Wow, let's swatch these ones. Just look at these pigments there. They are incredible, aren't they? Okay, I'm super excited to use some of these colours. So I already know kind of what the formulas are going to be like because I've got the Carnival XL palette as well. So I have had a good chance to play around with those kind of formulas that are in these palettes. As it is Be Perfect with Stacey Marie, I am going to use the Queen herself, Stacey Marie, as inspiration today. So I'll just pop up the picture now. I'm not going to do this look exactly, but I'm just going to use it as a bit of a guideline. I might switch around with some of these shimmers because I want to use some of those so they look amazing. So I have this picture just for reference while I play around with this palette. So I'm just going to prime my eyelid and carve my brow with the Be Perfect Cosmetics Perfect Prime. I've spoken about this primer before. It dries down really nicely, and with it obviously being Be Perfect and we're using a Be Perfect palette, it's nice to just use the matching one. Okay, so I am going to start by taking the deep here, and let's start to pack this shade on. This is vibrant. The pigments here are come into play. Okay, now I'm going to take this kind of like minty green, which is Reef. I am being quite precise where I'm placing these colours, as I do want like a different type of shape. And then I'm going to go in with Key Lime, this bright green here. And this I am just taking out towards my temple. over this Reef shade. Then I'm just gonna dip back into Reef again, just ever so lightly. And I'm just using that to kind of blend these ones. And then just going back in with the Deep. Just bringing this electric blue back in. I'm gonna start to just blend this out. Oh my god, these are blending together so gorgeously. Hope you can see that. Just taking a clean brush just to blend down this inner corner here. I am actually now gonna dip into Black Beach, this black, just because I want to deepen up in this crease. Yeah, that's looking good, I reckon. So I'm just gonna apply some more the Deep just across here and Black Beach as well, just because I want to sort this shape out. Let's start to go on the lower lash as well. So this is just the Deep again. And then just taking Reef and Key Lime again. And then going back in with the Deep. And then just pop in some Perfect Prime eyeshadow base in my waterline. I'm then going to go in with Black Beach and use that as an eyeliner. And then just tickling some of that Black Beach across this lower lash line just to deepen that up. These blend together amazingly. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so on the kind of this part of the eyelid, I want to try this Blue Moon. Wowzer, okay. You do get a little bit of fallout with that, but hopefully if I'm very delicate I should be able to just... Okay, that's not wiped away very well. I've got bits of blue glitter on my skin now. That's fine, I can fix it with some powder afterwards. Okay, now I know how well this goes on, I am just gonna deepen my blues and blacks to a level that I'm happy with. Okay, now let's place this exactly where I want it. This shimmer is amazing. It is literally like just a pressed glitter. Okay, now I'm just going to place that to match up underneath. Okay, there's quite a lot of fallout with this shimmer. But the rest of the colours, the mattes, I've not had any trouble with. Now, what is this pearl shade like? Oh, that's pretty. I think I'm going to use this kind of on my inner corner, if that makes any sense. That's blending in super nicely with those greens as well, kind of making that a bit iridescent. Whoa! Wowza, wowza, look at that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Looking good. Right, I'm going to do exactly the same on the other eye, and then I'll come back with mascara and lashes on, and then I'll be back for you to test the highlighter and the lip gloss. See you in a mo. Alrighty, I am back with the other eye on. Lashes, I have put on the Unicorn Cosmetics Vixen. These are my new favourite lashes. I am obsessed with these lashes because they're 3/4 lashes, and I just feel like they complement my eye shape so much better than massive ones. So yeah, these are my new go-to lashes. They're nice and fluffy as well. I've just lined my lips with Doll Beauty Diva Forever liner because I am about to pop on Starker's lip gloss. So I thought I chose Starker's because it's quite a bright eye look. These are supposed to be really pigmented, these glosses, so let's have a look. Ah. Oh, getting excited. You can tell I'm such a makeup geek, can't you, when I'm getting this excited over makeup. Oh my god, they are absolutely pulling it out the bag with this lip gloss. Okay, I'm so impressed with that. The pigment of that lip gloss is amazing. Let me just, oh, I'm getting so excited over this makeup. Let me just test on the back of my hand about this one. Whoa, whoa, okay, I'm sorry, but that was just one swipe. Amazing, amazing. Okay, now which highlighter to use? You know what, I might just pop one on each cheek so you can really see what they're both like. So let's go in with Glazed first, the kind of multi-chrome one. So these are like the get wet highlighters, so they're supposed to kind of give your skin the effect that like it's actually wet. Okay, that's pretty, I like that shade. Now let's try soft, I think it's, yeah, soft silk on the other side. Okay, this one is a bit more glittery. Yeah, much more glittery. But I really like how this one matches, kind of, it goes with the greens and the browns. Whoa, they feel really, let me try and pop a bit on with my finger. They are actually kind of wet in the, oh my god, they actually feel quite wet. Oh wow, okay. So if you apply it with your finger, okay, it makes me very excited to see that. Can you see that? So yeah, if you have some, apply it with your finger as well. Okay, they are super exciting, and it actually looks like my skin is wet. Can you see that? Are you joking? Okay, so final impressions, they're amazing, absolutely amazing. The eyeshadow palette, I mean, I had high hopes for this anyway because I've got the Carnival XL palette and those pigments, amazing, incredible. But the formulas of Pearl, Starlight, Rose Pink, Blue Moon and a couple of others are new. They're new formulas and they are incredible. So hopefully you can see the kind of sheen and the shimmer from those. They just, it just makes it pop. I'm actually lost for words. I can't get over this highlighter, I'm sorry. These are like $14.95 individually, and if I bought just one of the highlighters just to try on its own for that price, I would not complain. Like, that is stunning, absolutely stunning. And the lip gloss, it's so pigmented, incredibly pigmented lip gloss. I can't wait to try the other shade. I love it, absolutely love it. This palette on its own I think is like £37 because it's slightly smaller. It's got the same amount of actual eyeshadows as a Carnival XL, but it's just missing, it hasn't got the added trio of highlighters like the XL Carnival palette does. But this, like, I mean, I know I got the bundle in sale, but I would be more than happy to pay 37 something pounds for this eyeshadow palette for this, and you get, you know, the colour story. I've only really used the greens. You've got the browns, the reds, the pinks, the purples, so you've got an absolute rainbow of colours to choose from, and I'm well impressed with those highlighters. Soft Silk is definitely my favourite one, I think, but then if I were to do something a bit more pinky and purpley, then the more holographic one would suit that as well, if you know what I mean. So yes, I'm very happy with these products, well worth the money in my opinion. I'm super happy with how the look has turned out as well. And can we just stop a minute and actually realise I've not done a cut crease? I think the past like however many videos I've been doing a cut crease. I'm really sorry if you can hear next door, they're doing some drilling work to their house and it's really loud. I'm well chuffed, absolutely well chuffed. I can't wait to try some more colours from this palette. Absolutely banging, spot on. Well done BPERFECT and Stacey Marie. Thumbs up from me. Oh God, I need to put that highlighter like all over myself, because if you've been around on this channel, you'll know that I love to put highlighter everywhere. So I cannot wait for summer when we can sit out in a nice beer garden and I've got this. I'll cover myself in it, literally cover myself in these products. Spot on, love them. So if you've not yet got the Carnival palette and some of the highlighters and lip glosses in your makeup collection, then you need to go and get those right now. You won't regret it, promise you. Thank you so much for watching this video if you're still here, and don't forget to check out Claire's video. I will obviously link her video below as well, so you can see what beautiful looks she creates with this collection too. I'm really excited to see what she comes up with. Yeah, I'm very excited to see what she does with this collection. And I'm sure she'll be raving about it as well. If I'm like this, she'll absolutely love it. So make sure you watch Claire's video also. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, please hit that subscribe button for more beauty related content. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I shall see you next time. Goodbye.